Hi there, the Click Profit method is the exact method Arise Savvy used in 2015 to generate $22,600 in just 2 months, working no more than 20 minutes a day. Arise will be offering you the following: an intro to the virtual world of money. You will now have chance of breaking through into online entrepreneurship, showing you proof and testimonials of how money can be made using the Click Profit method, the necessary tools and knowledge. What he will be sharing here will not only help you make money using this method, but he will also provide you with info and tools that multi-millionaire marketers use to make money online today, such as autoresponders, landing pages, click trackers, networking with other marketers, learning the ins and outs of internet marketing niche, and much more. Blueprint of success. Here Arise will be sharing an improved step-by-step blueprint of the original he used when he first started out using this system. This blueprint is detailed to the point where you knows 100% throughout the whole time exactly what you need to be doing next. You will have access to Arise's personal email and Skype, where you can contact him anytime. This way, you won't find any roadblocks. Smart investments to increase profits. Up to this point, everything you have learned does not involve any investment whatsoever. Even though this will suffice, and Arise have personally earned over $5,000 in profit without investing a dime, there are better and easier ways to generate 3 times to 5 times more profit within a few days. Arise will introduce you to certain marketplaces and techniques he used to get his name and reputation that much faster. Marketplaces are full of hungry buyers that are willing to buy from any new seller stepping into the market. You'll get a good idea of how these marketplaces work, what to look out for, and how to maximize your profits using them. Okay, now you can visit the link on description below to get access. You also get 10 bonuses from me if you buy this product through my link below. See my bonus list below this video.